A friend of mine just recently discovered something and suggested I share it so that others could save hundreds of dollars per month. I actually covered this topic, though, in a Right on the Money special many months ago. So my friend could have been saving money all that time, but he didn't watch, probably because it was about private mortgage insurance. I know, not exciting, but obviously there's no such thing as TMI about PMI, so let's do this again. Because last year, a record number of people started having to pay PMI to get a home loan, including almost 165,000 of them right here in Texas. Now, if you don't have a big enough down payment, your PMI payment goes to an insurer that agrees to protect your lender if you default on the loan. For most mortgage loans, PMI is required if you finance more than 80% of the price of the home. That is the magic number. So let's say you bought a $300,000 house in 2019. Your down payment was $30,000. That's just 10%, so you financed 90%, which is above the magic number. So you pay PMI until you make enough premium payments to get that down below the magic number. Now, that can take many years. Here's another way. PMI is based on your loan-to-value ratio. Stay with me here. Basically, how much principal you still owe divided by the current value of the property. This is where it gets interesting, I promise. As you were sending your monthly mortgage payments in a bigger envelope because you were paying PMI in there as well, while you were doing that the past couple of years, home values here soared by 25% and more. So let's do the math. What if your $300,000 house is now worth $375,000 and your monthly payments have been bringing down your principal? Now you are well below the magic number and may be done with PMI much earlier. You do have to pay for an appraisal to prove this and be in the house a certain amount of time and make your payments on time, but it's possible. More details in today's story at Jason Wheeler TV on Facebook and Twitter, and share it with your friends, especially if they're like mine and don't pay attention to this stuff, because friends do help friends stay right on the money.